Hello guys, Ben's here from ITSec, and today's video we still carry on dismantling asus laptop x540s. So what we're left in this video to do to protect this bottom plastic, it won't bend, won't break, and won't crack it. We need to gently undo 3 screws, 2 and the third here. So gently we need to put the hands in there, inside, push it down, and this screws, 2, number 3 the inner back, right, and lift the other hand, your screen. So don't forget that Wi-Fi cables stay there, so we need to wiggle it out, and voila, just pull the screws out. Oh, 4, 3, and that's it. So beautiful little piece, screen, full screen, you see, it reflects beautifully, no scratches, little dirt, but it's fine. So this is for sale on my eBay store. So if, as I said, if you're not in UK and you want to purchase this kind of part, I do send parts from my personal website, which will be down in the description below. So what we have left speakers in there. So I'm not quite sure. Oh yeah, they are coming out. So I've got my plastic tool. They just on double stick, so still stick. So I need to think something to put on to protect for a customer. So never get across with that, but always first time. So I'll probably need to put in a plastic bag, shrink wrapping bag, or something like. I have nothing else, so never come across with it. So last piece, plastic foam cover. It has some hinge places perfectly intact. So happy purchasing, guys. See you in the next videos then. I'm really glad you're watching. Unfortunately, my YouTube decided to demonetize my channel, but with your support, that monetization doesn't matter. It matters about subscribers and people who are watching this video, and keep in touch, keep in chat with us. So I will be waiting for your messages. Till next videos. Bye bye now.